Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video. And this video we're gonna be making ice cream. So we're not just gonna be making any type of ice cream or any ordinary ice cream. We're gonna be making kombucha ice cream. You heard that right, kombucha ice cream. Thanks to Remedy Drinks. I've got my kombucha here. And I saw this video on Remedy Drinks. This is their IG, their Instagram, Remedy Drinks, Remedy Kombucha. I saw a recipe posted by Remedy Drinks. It's a kombucha ice cream recipe by dietly.co. That is their Instagram, dietly.co. Kombucha is Remedy Drinks, and where I saw the recipe is from dietly.co. When I saw this video, I'm like, me and kombucha are like that. And when I saw it with the ice cream, where they infuse kombucha in ice cream, I'm like, I gotta do that. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be doing kombucha ice cream. So thank you and shout out to Remedy Drinks and dietly.co. Again, this is not sponsored. It's just I love kombucha, especially I love the Remedy kombucha. Their kombucha has no sugar. Let me tell you a thing about kombucha. Kombucha generally is made from yeast, sugar, and black tea. Yes, yeast, sugar, and black tea mixed together, fermented for like 2 weeks, and once that's fermented, we've got the bacteria build it up, and that's the good bacteria that everyone knows that kombucha has. This good bacteria is really good for your gut. It's really good for your health. It's also good for your immune system. Actually, it's good for your bowels. Yes, if you guys have any problems with your bowels, drink kombucha. It'll make you poop up. Like what I said, kombucha is good for your immune system. It also helps with blood pressure. It also helps with high blood pressure and any sorts of heart ailments. It's actually a power drink. The only good thing about Remedy Drinks kombucha is it has no sugar. If you guys are, cutting down that sugar, got your Remedy kombucha. Just search them up, get your kombucha, order it, and you're good to go. I order this like whenever I get the chance to. It never fails me. So the kombucha drink we're gonna be using today is the plum kombucha. That is what I saw in the video. The cherry plum kombucha, 1 can. I don't know how this is gonna go because we're gonna be using cashews, coconut milk, and the kombucha to make our ice cream. And let's see how that turns out. Oh, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to do that. Thank you for subscribing and welcome to the exploration station. Here is your ticket. Yes. Then again, we're back to the exploring. We're gonna be exploring how to make ice cream, kombucha ice cream. We're gonna be making, what am I just saying it over and over again? See how it turns out, because in the video it looked really scrumptious. I'm gonna show that right here. Yeah, it looks so good. I mean, I would eat that all day if it, if I knew what it tastes like, but it looks so good, and we're gonna try that out. Yeah, we're gonna try that out and see how it works. So let's get into the making. Okay, so oh yeah, I can bend. Hi, let's get this started now. So we've got our cashews. I've soaked this cashews overnight. Yes, you have to soak your cashews overnight, and then you get like 160 ml of your coconut milk or your coconut cream. And then you've got your organic kombucha from Remedies. Yes, Remedies. And yeah, cherry plum is what they use, so I'm going to be using that. And then I've got they use compote. Yes, they use compote. But I'm going to be using a strawberry jam. Yeah, and then some honey, and then a bread pan. And yeah, that's pretty much, see how simple that sounds. All you need is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, and you're good to go, and you're good to make yourself some kombucha ice cream. Let's get to it. So we got your soaked cashews. Put it in your blender. I hope you can see the blender right here. You're gonna be looking at my bottom half, so don't mind me. Okay, let's go. Put this in. I don't know if it's too much. They used 1 pack, so I don't know if this is 1 pack because I got like 1 bottle of cashews. And so next what they did was they put their 1 can of the kombucha. Let's open her up. Oh, snapski. First I want to take a sip, you know. Who doesn't take a sip of their kombucha before using it for ice cream? Again, this is not sponsored. I just really love their kombucha. And I just go check it out. But okay, now let's pour it in. They said pour the whole can. So we're pouring the whole can in. Okay. And then we put our coconut milk.
Oh, she looking nice.
I hope it tastes nice. As you can see, it looks kind of gross. It looks like an innards of your stomach. I'm gonna move this a bit to the side and move this a little bit to the middle. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it looks a bit like an innards of your stomach. It looks like some curd, or I have no idea. I think this is like 2 tablespoons of honey. Just put her in. We're going vegan here, so honey is the way to go. And plus, the kombucha that we're using has no, oh snap! The kombucha we're using has no sugar, so we gotta have the sweetness to it. Plus, besides, we're making ice cream. Go and blend this in. Okay, so let's hope for the best here. Oh, snap, it's coming out of the top. Okay, let's blend her some more before we put it in the pan. All right, time to pour it into the pan. Okay, let's pour it in the pan. Okay, doker. Okay, and then we drizzle some of this strawberry jam into it. Yes. Once we're done with this, we put it into the freezer and just let it freeze till it hardens. And then the great reveal. I'm gonna show you guys if it's good or not. We put it in the freezer. Okay, now that I put it in the freezer, I'm gonna have to wait for it to harden and then we can try our ice cream. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Again, if you guys want the kombucha, it is Remedy Kombucha. Their Instagram is Remedy Drinks, and the recipe I got, the recipe that I saw the ice cream from was .ly. You guys can check out more vegan recipes there. They got so much, especially with avocado. So if you guys are an avocado fan, go check them out, .ly.co. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I just really love kombucha, Remedy Kombucha. So this is why I'm telling you guys out there to get your kombucha, whether or not it is Remedy. So yeah, get your kombucha. It's harmless, actually. It's really good for your health. And if you got, especially in this pandemic, get your immune system up, get your kombucha. Kombucha every day, every day. So yeah, I'll see you guys when the ice cream is done.
The next day.
Good morning, it's the next day. Now let's go check that ice cream. Okay, so I've got the ice cream and this is what it looks like. I put like cling film on it and I'm actually pretty scared. I don't know. Let's see. Let's check it out. Okay, so it looks like it smells kind of weird. It smells kind of weird. I'm afraid because it smells weird. Hold that thought. Okay, it smells kind of weird and I'm actually afraid of what it's gonna taste like because I checked the container of the cashew and it had ingredients like spices and MSG. And I'm afraid, I'm like, what if it's gonna, you know, combat the taste of the ice cream? Let's taste it out. Let's try it out. I don't know. I taste a whole bunch of coconut milk. This is what it looks like. And I got that from that. Okay, let's see if the jam is there. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, the strawberry jam is like right at the bottom. I don't know if you can see the jam that I used. There it is. See, right there. That's the jam. Okay, I'm gonna try it with the jam. I think this is a fail. This is an extreme fail. I'm gonna get the bottle of cashew. You know what? I don't know where I put the bottle of cashew, so I just got me my glass of almost done coffee to drink this down because it does not taste good. I'm being honest here. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe it's the cashews. I think it's the cashew. I think I should have gone with just plain raw, no, not raw, plain cashews, no like seasoning on it, because it had seasoning. It said on the bottle it had seasoning, and I am not happy about the outcome. But then it froze. Yeah, I think I just wasted a can of kombucha because that was one of my favorite flavors of kombucha, was the cherry plum, and I don't know. I'm gonna try this again. I'll probably do a better version of this ice cream, and yeah, I don't know if I'll do this. It does not taste good at all. No. Maybe I'll do some other kombucha concoctions, like a fizzy drink or whatnot. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Finish this coffee because it does not taste good now. Yeah, I did something wrong with this. And probably it's the coconut too, because it said coconut cream, but then I used coconut milk. The rest was fine, the honey was fine, the kombucha was fine, but then I had problems with the cashews and the coconut milk. So I should have looked for a, oh, here's the cashew, it's right in front of me. How blind can I get? Here, it said, okay, here are my ingredients. Cashew nuts, vegetable oil, seasoning, and monosodium glutamate, which is MSG. And I think that's the issue there because it had other ingredients besides the cashew nut. Oh snap! Besides the cashew nuts, and I should have just gone with a plain cashew nut. Yeah, I did what it did. Soaked it overnight. So if you guys want to try it out, go ahead. Just jot the ingredients here. You got your cashew nuts, your coconut cream. Make sure it's coconut cream. Your kombucha, of course, one can of kombucha. It could either be any flavor you want, I guess. But then I went with whatever recipe was there, which was the cherry plum, and your honey, and your berry compote. Yeah. If you guys want to see more of this try out recipes, I can try out other recipes too. At dietly.co, I can check out their other recipes that I can try and share with you guys, because this one is such a flop because of my lack of proper ingredients. Again, don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and follow me on Instagram because why not? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, and don't forget to like this video and comment down below what you guys want to see next in terms of other exploring videos or other tryout videos. Since I can try any other recipes, I can do a 24-hour challenge, other challenge videos or challenge ideas. Just jot them down, comment them down. And yeah, again, I'll see you guys in my next video, and say hi to my little doggeroons. Doggeroony Maggie. Hi. Yeah, she's always there with me when I'm filming. I'm gonna tell you guys what it tastes like. It tastes like years old milk.